Welcome back to my channel. And today's it's Thursday. It's a public day, so this start the sale. So today we're gonna do some deals. I'm gonna do some of the deals. I'm not gonna do a lot because some of them I don't have the coupons, but I'm gonna try to get something where I have coupons and show you guys. Okay, so let's go and do the deals. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to get is the crab mayo. They are $4.79. They're buy one get one free. I'm gonna use this coupon. That's $2 off anyone. I did find those pretty while ago, so I'm gonna get 6 of this. If you're gonna get 2 only, you're gonna use 2 coupon. You're gonna pay 79 cents for 2 US bottle. So I'm gonna get 6 and I'm gonna use 6 of this. Okay, that's the first deal. Okay guys, so the Sweet Baby Ray's hot sauce, they're buy one get one free. We find those coupons, pretty coupons, is $1 off anyone. So you're gonna get 2 of these and you're gonna use 2 of this coupon. You're gonna pay 99 cents for 2. Okay guys, so next deal I'm going to do the Ronzoni pasta. They're buy one get one free at $1.62. We don't have coupons, but we do have a 50 cents back in Ibarra. So I'm gonna get 4 of these. You can get any flavor, just make sure to scan if it's gonna work the the offer. So I'm gonna get 2 spaghetti and 2 of the ziti rigatoni. Okay guys, so next I'm going to get is the Swab Essential Breeze. I don't know how you say it, but they're 2 for 3. There is $1 off to any swab and extra savings. And I'm also gonna use this coupon. I don't know if it's gonna work. This save $2 on any 2 swab, but it says professional or whatever. But I'm gonna use it guys if it's gonna work, and then I'll let you guys know. So if it's gonna work, those coupons, that's gonna be free for 2 of this swab. Okay, so it's not bad if you try to use that coupon. I mean, you're not doing nothing wrong, right? Okay guys, so the last deal we're gonna get is the green beans. They're buy one get one free. There's no coupon, but I'm gonna get 2 of this. They're $3 anyway. Just gonna get 2. Bye. Okay guys, so I'm also gonna pick up the lemonade that was 0 sugar. They're 2 for 4. We do have $1 bag each one in a bottle rebate, so make this only $1 each after the rebate. Those triple milk, they're also buy one get one free. They're priced at $4.50. We have this $1 off anyone coupon. I find those blinking machine before. You're gonna pay like $2.50 for 2. Okay guys, so the next deal I'm going to get is the 2 of this Persil. They're $11.99. So I'm gonna get 2 of these. And if you want the liquid, but they're more higher, they're $14.99. So anyway, when you buy 2, you get $10 off. So this is included. This also included. And we do have this $2 off anyone coupon that came from Save 912. So if you're gonna get 2 of these, that's gonna be $23.98. After the 10 off and the $2 off each one coupons, you're gonna pay $9.98 for 2. So I think it's still not a bad deal because normally they're $11.99 for 1. But yeah, I'm gonna get 2 of these. I like more the Oxy, the sense. Okay, so this is everything I'm picking up for this one. I'm gonna do 2 separate transactions. So I'm also gonna throw in here the 5 of 25. This is Sebalat coupons. The public, they do the competitor coupons. So this come from my insert in my mailbox. So I did find those. If you have those, you can use those in the public. So make sure to see if make sure to ask them in the customer service. But most public, they accept the competitor coupon, like a Sebalat coupons, like the Target coupons. But anyway, because I'm already 20 something dollars, like $27 for only the 2 lemonade and the Persil. So I'm gonna use the Persil and the 5 of 25, all these together. And I'm also gonna use in my another transaction the 5 of 25, same coupon. Like I said, I'm gonna put separate transaction guys. So that's the first one. So this is gonna be my second. So this one is already $27 too, because I did get some those cotton buds, the Q-tips for my kids for the house anyway. So that's gonna be, I think it's like $30 worth of products right there in the bottom. So okay guys, so before I'm going to check out, I'm showing you that's the first transaction and this is the second one. Anyone, first or second one, either way. But I'm gonna show you guys the receipt whenever I get out here with the receipt. Okay guys, so let's go check out. Okay guys, so I'm so sorry. Okay, so when I went to the register and I went to self checkout anyway, remember the parcel, there's a $10 off, um automatically discount. That's $10 off, so don't do that. You had to be at least $25. So what I did, because it was like $19 and some change, so what I did, I added 4 of the swab, the 2 for 3 swab, and then that's qualifying me for $25. But anyway, this is my receipt. I did get 2 lemonade, 2 perso, and the 4 of the swab, the 2 for 3, and my 5 of competitor coupon, and $1 off to the from the extra savings swab, and I used the $2 for the perso and the $2 off 2 for the swab. So that swab is being said is gonna be free because they're 2 for 3. So you're gonna use the 2 coupons and the $1 of extra savings. So that's gonna be absolutely free, guys. So my subtotal was $8.98 plus tax, and I'm going to submit. I saved $30.54. And remember, guys, I'm gonna get $2 back in Ibotta for the lemonade. So I'm going to submit my receipt for Ibotta for $2 back. So that's gonna be only $6.98 for all these items. So it's right here. I get 4 of the swab. That's the swab there, 2 for 3. I get 4 and 2 of the persil and 2 of the lemonade. So we're still here, guys, because I had to come back because I suppose gonna do separate transaction, and then I had to get something for I can use my 5 of 25 Sevalat coupons. That's competitor coupons. So okay, so I'm gonna get 4 of swab again because suppose that swab is on the bottom, but anyway, I'm gonna go get 4 swab. Okay guys, so we get out in the Publix, and yes, we got those crab mayo. I got 6, and the swab, and the ronzoni, the beans, and yes, all my coupon, guys, is work everything. She just put everything, the competitor coupons, and all my coupons, guys, like I said, everything was work. So I pay $6.60 plus tax. That's $7.27, and I get back $2, and I bought it for the macaroni, not macaroni, the ronzoni pasta. So that's make this only $4.60 for all that. So we save like $48.27. All right, friends, so that's it for everything. So we're going home because look at that, it's gonna rain. But anyway, it's gonna be starting raining, so let's go home. Okay, bye.